Hey, how are you? Thank you for being here, and I hope you're doing well. So, I recently passed my California real estate exam, and I had some people reaching out to me and asked me how I did it. So, I thought I'd make this video for you guys. So, stay tuned if you want to learn how to prepare yourself for this exam so that you can pass it at your first try as well. Stay tuned. So my name is Franz and I'm a real estate agent and photographer here in the Orange County area. And I'm also the owner of Arrogance Fashion, which is a bikini company. Please make sure to like this video and to subscribe. And if you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out on Instagram. I'm happy to help you and I'm happy to reply to you. First of all, I think it's important to mention that everyone is learning different. So the things I'm talking about is from my experience and the things that worked for me. But I hope that some of the things I'm talking about are going to be valuable to you and that you can implement them into your learning strategy. But overall, this real estate exam is not super hard, but you definitely need to be focused. You definitely need to bring a lot of preparation time and you need to know the context and the content. Tip number one is that you should tell your friends and family about your plans of taking the exam and that it is super important for you that you pass this exam. So make sure to ask them that they hold you accountable and ask them if they can do everything possible that you can stay focused on your studying. Tip number two is super important and it is that you should schedule your exam 2 months in advance. This way it gives you a lot of time to practice and that way you don't need to cram last minute. Number three is that you should repeat the study material as often as possible. So make sure you invest time into your studying, and what I did was I studied 3 hours every day, and when it was just 1.5 weeks left, I made sure to study at least 6 hours every day. And I feel like this helped me a lot just to get all this information in. Tip number four is to use a service like Prep Agent, which gives you the ability to do lots of practice exams. And that also helped me tremendously to pass my exam. Number five is to circle through different mediums. So whenever you get tired of reading, you can move on to listening to audio and then you move on to doing practice exams and then over again. So you learn through different ways. Hey, this is Franz from the future. I'm editing the video right now and I wanted to add a bonus tip for you. And this would be that you should make sure to track your time and your score while doing practice exams, because at your real exam you will have 150 questions in California and you will have 3 hours time. And from my experience the questions were a lot longer, so I heard that as well in advance. So what I did, I made sure that I stayed below 2 hours when I did my practice exams. Another thing I did was I always aimed to get 80% or more at the practice exams. However, you only need 70%, but I would definitely recommend that you stay on the safe side. So try to aim 80% or above at the practice exams so that you will pass this exam. I hope some of these tips help you to pass your real estate exam as well. And what I can tell you is whenever you take the exam and then you get the letter and it said congratulations, you passed, trust me, you will be so happy and so relieved and you can take your next step into your real estate career. And I'm 100% sure that you will pass as well. Just make sure to study a lot and to push through it. You got this. And if you have any questions, make sure to DM me on Instagram, and I wish you a wonderful day. Keep me posted on how your studying is going. Have a beautiful day. Bye.